Okay, so basically this video is going to be done in reverse order, and the reason is when I originally did the iPad mini install, I forgot what to videotape one of the main parts of it, how it's actually held in to this section here. The video that I have now of the process shows me removing the parts behind these sections, the plastic bits behind these sections, but it doesn't show how I actually held in the iPad. And it's not until I was editing I realized that I didn't have that part. So what I'm going to be doing now is a breakdown. I'm going to remove the iPad, this section here, the audio panel. I'm going to remove that, and then I'm going to flip it around and show you how it's held in. Then later or after this, I will add the video of the process of removing the bits behind here and actually installing this radio up here. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing that right now. Alright, so the unit is out, and you can now see the, oh, 1 second. Alright, so this is the back section of the iPad mini, and it's fairly simple. If you notice, you can see where the plastic was removed, or you probably can't because it's dark. Let me see if alright, so here, these bits right here, right, I removed all the excess plastic. I think those were for actually strengthening the panel so it doesn't flex too much, and for grooves for the head units. So I removed those until the iPad was sitting flush or fairly flush inside this section here. Alright, please forgive me, I'm sitting in the car on the side of the road doing this. Then once I did that, I just got 2 plastic L's right here and another one here, and what I did was I glued them using super glue onto the panel itself with enough space so the iPad could slide up into or between this section of the L and the frame, right? So if you see it from this angle, you'll understand it a bit better. The iPad slides up in there, and that's basically it. It's really simple. If in the future I want to change this iPad, I just slide it out, slide it down, and that's it. Okay, and the radio, what I did was the panel that's above this pocket that's above here, I just basically installed this small 1-DIN radio. It's kind of short, and I secured it using a tie strap. Right now the cable, the charging cable, goes from the iPad and it goes outside. I was planning to use a Bluetooth radio, but someone recommended using a flat USB cable, so I've ordered one and I'm waiting for that to come, and I'll probably just run it behind the unit and bring it up to the iPad somehow. I'll do a video on that. Maybe I'll do a video on that in the future. I just snap some pictures and post them somewhere. All right, but that's it. It's held in with these 2 plastic tabs. All right, peace out.